Hi everyone, welcome to our video. We have got a Super Loot. So first time we've got one of these. And what's in the box?
Hi.
It's Axel.
Hi,
Okay, so we've never had one of these before. The first box is only £16.99, so that's a bargain.
How much are the other ones?
£19.99 I think.
Okay.
So
I got confused because I was looking at there and it looked like I was looking that way, but I went to look that way.
Open it up. Can't see what's in here.
I saw something.
Here's a bag. Shall I get the bag?
Probably a t-shirt.
Shall I get the t-shirt out first?
Yep. Save that for last.
Okay, so look and see what else there is. Oh,
That's a pop.
shall I get the pop out?
Oh. Oh,
Right,
yeah.
I'll get this out. What's this? Oh!
It was a
A
pop.
pop, yeah. It's
Oh.
Black Panther. Awesome.
So surprising.
We've got a pretty cool Marvel collection. So
Everybody's getting these.
it's very popular at the moment, isn't it, Black Panther? And he's cool, so
We've got a cool stance. Yeah. Not stance.
yeah, so we've got Black Panther without
What
the
do these
mask on.
boxes contain usually?
I think that they have a pop and a t-shirt, actually, don't we? So,
I see 3 items.
choosing. So here we go. Here's isn't it T'Challa? Is that his real name? Black Panther. He's not in his mask. He's got its claws. See, he's kind of metallic-y, and I'm sure they'll do close-ups for us. So
Yep, it's
pop
down
in there.
So
Pop the
I'll
pop.
get out the other box.
Okay.
Here's a 4.
What's it? A
Thor.
Thor. Can I see, please?
Right.
Okay.
I know.
Oh wow, he looks pretty awesome.
Yeah.
So here we've got a Marvel figure from. Oh, so it's an odd collection up here because there's some Avengers and then Green Goblin. So I guess they're doing all kinds of Marvel hand painted figure.
Yeah.
Should we get him out?
We'll save the t-shirt for last.
Okay.
Looks like there's a scroll.
What's this? A scroll of scrolliness, a poster maybe? What's this? It's quite thick.
Nothing else in the box after that.
Oh, so we've got Wonder Woman poster
Oh, there's 2.
and yeah. Oh, and Wonder Woman and Iron Man. There, again, they don't go together. Usually DC and Marvel. So they're pretty cool though. I like those.
Yeah.
Rolled up. Rolled up. There we go.
And the thing we've been waiting for.
So we rip this open. Look, Black Panther, eh?
Yeah. Oh, you're killing him. You're killing him.
Who am I killing?
You killed the box of Black Panther. Who's Panther?
Okay, so
Panther.
yeah, Black Panther, his mask on the t-shirt. That's not my
cool.
size t-shirt, but that looks,
That's pretty cool.
that's pretty good, isn't it? Let's show that here.
Hey. Hey. I don't think it'll fit me.
No, a bit big for you. So
Hey.
we have got a t-shirt, a pop, 2 posters, and an awesome Thor figure. So
Yeah,
that's a pretty
final thing.
awesome box of excellence. So you should definitely get a box of that again. A box of that, a Super Loot box, a box of that. Awesome. So
If you haven't got these, it was £16 for the first one,
£16.99 for the first one, then
and then
£19.99 after that.
and then £20 for the next one. So, see you next time.
Yep, thanks for watching everyone.
Bye-bye.
Hope you enjoyed our box.